Question 13. Find what length of canvas 2 meter in width is required to make a conical tent 20 meter in diameter and 42 meter in slant height, allowing 10% folds and stitching. Also find the cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. Width of canvas equal to 2 meter. And length is equal to L. Diameter of conical tent equal to 20 meter. Radius is equal to 20 upon 2, that is R equal to 10 meter. Slant height. Slant height L is equal to 42 meter. Curved surface area of cone equal to pi RL, which implies 22 upon 7 into radius is 10, slant height is 42, that is 7 6 are 42, which implies 6 2 are 12, 6 2 are 12 plus 1 13, multiply by 10, that is 1320 meter square. And height allowing 10% folds, which implies 10% of 1320. 0 is cancelled, 0 is cancelled. 10% is equal to 10% of curved surface area of cone is 10% of CSA is equal to 132. And the stitching, that is equal to 13. Total area is equal to 1320 plus 132, which implies 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 1 4, 1. Area of canvas is equal to 2 multiplied by length is L, that is equal to 1452 meter square, that is equal to 1452, and length Find the length of canvas. Length is equal to 1452 divided by 2, that is equal to 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 2 6 are 12 meter. Length is equal to 726 meter. Cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 80 per meter equal to 726 multiplied by 80, that is equal to 0 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20, 2 carry, 8 7s are 56 plus 2 58 rupees. Answer. Width of canvas is 2 meter and length is equal to L. Diameter of cone is 20 meter. Its radius is 20 upon 2, that is equal to 10 meter. And curved surface area of cone is pi RL, 22 upon 7 into 10 into L slant height. L is equal to 42. 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42, 22 6 are 132 into 10, that is 1320 meter square. Its curved surface area of cone, and allowing 10% folds. 10% of curved surface area equal to 10 upon 100 into 1320. 0 is cancelled, 0 is cancelled, that is equal to 132 meter square. And total area is equal to 1320 plus 132 meter square, that is equal to 1452 meter square. 10% allowing folds. Total area is 1452 meter square, and area of canvas is length into breadth. Length is L and breadth is 2 meter. 2L is equal to 1452. So length is equal to 1452 divided by 2, that is equal to 726 meter. So length of canvas is equal to 726 meter. First we find the length of canvas, and cost of canvas at the rupees of 80 per meter is equal to 726 multiplied by 80, that is equal to rupees 58,080. Answer. Thank you.